5 easy ways to earn $100 online every day. A majority of people are oblivious to the fact that you can make money online, let alone $100 a day. With the right guidance and outlook, you can become a very successful person by earning online. It's time to start looking into some of the ways in how you can use the internet to start generating passive or active income. Number 1, sponsored posts. For a sponsored message, a corporation pays you to chat on their website about their product or service. How much are you going to earn? Financials blogger Alexis Schroeder claims that she mostly raises $3,000 with supported posts every month. Any blogs with more readers, however, will comfortably receive $20,000 or more per supported message. However, this could harm your efforts over time to expand your website faster than the revenue from supported posts helps. Affiliate marketing. One of the most profitable means of earning money online is affiliate marketing. Affiliates include firms including internet brokerages, online banking, and finance instruments in the financial planning niche. If you're able to promote them, these types of businesses pay really good money. Though depending on the niche in which you are, the sort of affiliates you deal for will differ. Bear in mind that certain organizations will pay you up to $100 per conversion. Coaching. You may also use the internet to set up a coaching company if you have experience in a particular area. This form of job can be very entertaining and quite worthwhile. If you are a specialist in your profession and people constantly want to drain your brain, you should start charging people. Your time is precious and so is your guidance. Investment gains. You can set up an online trading account like anybody out there to buy ETFs or stocks. Bear in mind that in addition to an online company that will help you rack up passive profits, it is important to have conventional savings. Only open an online brokerage account with Scottrade, TD Ameritrade, or another one, and you're ready to go. These days, there are many forms of saving online that there's practically no reason not to. Selling stuff online. It's literally one of the easiest ways to earn money. Selling stuff is a perfect way to use the internet to raise some cash if you have things to sell and don't mind wasting any time making free advertising on Facebook or a website like Craigslist. Like they say, another man's trash is another man's treasure. While these are some of the places online that you can make money, this list is not all-inclusive. Remember to think of all the different ways you can make money on the internet if you need to raise extra cash on the side. Even if any of these methods don't seem like a lot of fun for you, it's possible that one of these ideas is suitable for your lifestyle and goals. If you like this video and want to see more similar content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.